Hey gorgeous, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make a DIY deep conditioner with the ingredients that you have in your kitchen. I'll also be sharing some benefits. If you like this video, give it a massive big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. The benefits of deep conditioning your hair is that it prevents damage, it imparts moisture into your hair, it promotes elasticity and adds shine and luster. You can make this DIY conditioner in your kitchen and I'll be showing you how to make it. Very simple. Just take a mixing bowl, your mayonnaise, 1 egg, and just any oils of your choice. I have got here grapeseed oil and peppermint oil because this concoction smells really bad. You want to make sure that you are using any kind of essential oil. If you don't have, don't worry. Here I'll be using 1 egg for this DIY conditioner and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Eggs are power-packed with proteins, minerals and B vitamins. These nutrients, especially biotin and other B complex vitamins, can curb hair loss by strengthening the roots of your hair. These nutrients also help stimulate new hair growth, adding volume to your hair, and it just thickens your hair. If you haven't tried this, comment down below and let me know if you would try it, and if you have, what was your experience in terms of washing this out. All you have to do now is just blend it. You can use a fork if you have one. I was just literally too lazy, so I blend this with my electric blender for about 1 minute. Honestly, this was literally one of the most runny consistency. I was not happy with this consistency, but it really worked. Next time I think I might add like a different conditioner so that it's like thick and stuff. Right now I'm just going to be working in sections because it's simple, it's faster, it's literally the better way of working, because I want to make sure that my hair receives as much proteins as possible, because our hair is made of protein, which is keratin. So you know that egg structure really helps to help make sure our hair doesn't get damaged. Ideally you should be deep conditioning your hair like once a week if your hair is out, or maybe twice a week if you're really pushing it. But it's so important to make sure that your hair is deep conditioned so that it's healthy and stuff. I'll leave this on my hair for about 20 minutes using a plastic bag to trap the heat, and then I will rinse it out with a conditioner and stuff so that it doesn't like smell as bad. This is still conditioning, but you know, the conditioner that smells good. That's what I'm gonna do. If you like this video, give it a massive big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.